Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to fix no internet problem though connected to Wi-Fi. Here is in the no internet connected and secured. For fixing this problem, right click on that Wi-Fi icon, then click troubleshoot problems. Select network adapter to diagnose. You have to select all network adapter. Then next, looking for problems. You are seeing the detecting problems, resolving problems, resetting your wireless network adapter. You are seeing that troubleshooting has completed. The troubleshooter made some changes to your system. Try attempting the task you were trying to do before. Here mainly problem was that the network adapter. The troubleshooter have been fixed. The wireless adapter, you are seeing that wireless adapter access point fixed. Now I'm going to check is it working or not. You are seeing that automatically reloading my site. Loading another page. It is also working properly. So that's all. Thanks for watching.